What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another new video, and this video is going to be really short. I'm just going to show you guys me cashing out on Swagbucks. So I have 880 some points, and I'm going to go ahead and see what I can cash out. I'm going to show you guys my points. I'm going to show you guys what I pick to choose for my cash out, and that'll be pretty much it for this short little video. But I just wanted to make this video and put it out there to show everybody that Swagbucks still does work. Swagbucks is still really good to earn with, and you kind of just have to find your own rhythm to earn with Swagbucks. And also, they give you a bunch of free ways to get free Swagbucks every single day if you check on your homepage. So without further ado, let's jump into this and check it out. Alright, so I'm on Swagbucks. Here's the homepage. The to-do list right here is what I was talking about. Ways to earn a bunch of free Swagbucks every single day. Also, there is a daily goal, and I earned 9 Swagbucks bonus for today, and it says come back tomorrow to keep earning. And you also get a monthly bonus when you complete your daily goal, so that's another plus. And basically, the way that I've earned my 800 some Swagbucks is through the discovery, playing Monopoly, and just playing some of the offers that they showcase to me within my email and here on Swagbucks itself. So let's go to the redeem page. All gift cards. What I'm gonna choose is an Amazon gift card, 500 Swagbucks. Says you just verified your gift card. Check your email for delivery instructions. So that was successful. Here this says, share the joy of getting free gift cards with your friends and family. Get 300 Swagbucks bonus plus 10% of your referrals earnings for life. And if you guys want to sign up with my Swagbucks link and start earning today, it'll be in the description of this video and also in the comment section. And here is the email that they sent, which is, it says your Amazon.com $5 gift card has been verified. So this is confirmation. It says rewards are often delivered in 2 to 3 days, but some cases may take up to 10 business days. 500 Swagbucks. So there's nothing for 300 Swagbucks, so I'm just gonna save those. But as you guys can see, Swagbucks is still good for earning. So as you guys can see, Swagbucks is still a great way to keep earning money and keep earning gift cards. It's super easy if you just keep looking in your email. They send you emails every single day where they showcase the games that are easily over 300 Swagbucks per requirement they have for that game. And so that's basically what I've been doing every single day, plus doing the to-dos list that they have on the homepage of their app, also doing the daily goal and getting that 9 Swagbucks a day. So that also helps. And yeah, I just wanted to share this short little video with everybody to show that Swagbucks is still a great way to earn, and you should be able to easily earn a couple hundred Swagbucks with just signing up. So make sure you share it with your friends, share it with your family, have your friends and family sign up underneath your link. If you guys want to sign up with my link, I'll leave it in the description of this video and also the comment section. But that's completely optional. You don't have to sign up with my link. You could go search for it if you're a new user, or you can sign up with the link in the description of this video. I want to say thank you to everybody watching this video. Thank you guys for liking and subscribing, and I'll see everybody in the next new video. Peace.